R1. We're getting the SC project on. We're getting the tail tidy on, or well, I guess the plate cleanup kit. And we're getting the Servo buddy on as well. Watched a lot of videos. Seems pretty straightforward. That boy is coming off, and it's coming with all these cords and this as well. So I will set up. I got my mic on. Actually, I should do a little startup and rev. I'm excited for this. Yamaha R1 stock exhaust 2023. We'll get one up to 8 grand. I don't want to go over revving the bike. Alright, let's start the install. It's gonna have to cool off, so that's fine. I'm going to do the tail tidy first. From the videos I've watched, first thing you do, get your key, put it in the rear seat, take off the rear seat. That is done. Secondly, locate. Wow, that is actually only 3 points there. So locate where you're taking off. Right? Okay, so I'm going to have to get the seat off as well, so I'll do that. Okay. Everything looks like a mess. I'm gonna look like a crazy person. This is all my little brother. He works on cars back here in the backyard. Next, I'll be looking at these bolts to open up this cover, these screws to open up this cover. This guy is listening to Minecraft music right now. It's crazy. He's taking apart his 350 or 370, sorry. Cover, good. Making crazy progress right now. We got 2 edge ones too. Whoa. Okay. Boom, boom. Another piece. Let me send this picture to Brandon. It's a good one. Alright, tail dropped. Gonna need to free up this right here because this is where the plugins are, so that's good. This will come out, this will come out. Cool, very cool. Get to opening this box. I haven't done it yet, so we'll take a look at it. This is the tail cleanup. Ooh, very clean. Okay. I assume it goes like this. My issue is right now, I have to figure out what's left and what's right. There we go. A big old whale tail. Set it aside. See what he wants to do with it. It goes like so. Bam. And I assume the plate is going to be pretty angled. If he wants, he could always just bend it back. So actually, so this is Brandon's bike, 2023 R1. He moved to New York about, I want to say 2 months ago. And he hasn't, with his new job, been able to get this thing transported up. So I offered to keep it at my house until he finds transport. But obviously I've been making videos with it and I've been having a lot of fun with it. So he was like, I want to get the exhaust, I want to get the tail cleanup, and I want to get the servo buddy. And I was like, all right, get it. I'll put it in, I'll record it for content, and then you'll get your bike a whole different bike. And we're obviously going to get it tuned, probably down here, but that's all in due time. All right, I got 20% on this battery. I didn't charge any of my batteries. Fail on my part, but we're looking good. I got everything ran for the tail cleanup. Now I just have to tighten everything down, make sure it looks good. Counter hold. Don't want this going anywhere. Is looking good on the plate cleanup. Look at that. Plate will go like this. And if he wants, he could set it out like that. That's all up to him. It is in there. Tap. That ain't going nowhere. All right, now I have to make sure the turn signals are going to work. This is left. Yeah. This is right. Also, yeah. And we got LED. That's great. Who uses turn signals? I don't know, but bam. 1, 2, 3. There. Wired like that. Look at that. Going to get the servo motor out. This guy right here, one screw. Take these two apart. Take out the cables. And we route him under the bike. He's gonna get a bike that's brand new. Well, he's gonna get a different bike entirely. This probably will not be used again, but I'm gonna put it back right where I found it, instead of having confusion of extra bolts. There you go. And we'll get these two Phillips moved out the way. Actually, here, let's get this guy. Get that guy to its new home. Get the servo buddy. And plug it right in here. Right there. Easy peasy. Alright. I'm going to have to loosen up the servo motor cables for the valve. Loosen that up. And then I can route it back up through the motor. Doesn't look that bad. It's not too hidden. It just comes right here. And if I get it out from there, I can just snake it down. So I'm gonna leave these exhaust bolts right under the bike because they will not be used again. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna put this somewhere it doesn't get scratched. That's barely on there. You saw that. That's barely on there too. don't know that this will be used again. This plate. Alright, gotta break this loose. Ugh. That there. Yeah, baby. That's what real progress looks like. Brandon, don't look. Alright, so basically what I'm doing is just getting these guys off. So I gotta spin these loose, pull them back, unhook them from here, and we're home free, really. That's one. Oh, wow, look at that boy. Bread box. Never to be seen again. And now I'll clean up a little bit and we'll start installing the SC project. Boom! I haven't even opened it yet. I don't know if it came with everything. Alright, so we're looking at link pipes. Looks like clamps and the main vent right in there. So I will pick up in a minute. We're looking at 2 link pipes, 1, 2, clamps, springs, and then the big boy. Oh, also the hanger. Just gonna go right up here. So, all right, let me get to it. Wow, look at that weld. Oh, look at this. Wow. All right, back in the box with you. That's nice though. Holy cow. Whoopsie. I'm gonna finagle this a little bit and I'll pick it up. Pros of being in a detailed family. We got a just giant bottle of alcohol laying around. Gotta get a cold start. This is it. Moment of truth, everybody. I got the tail tidy. I got the servo buddy. Servo's gone. SC project installed. It looks crazy. Look at that. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I'm in gear. The suspense. The suspense is killing me. Here we go. Have to do that later. Holy cow, I can't hear anything. That is so loud. Alright, I'm gonna put everything back together, go inside, change, and go to sleep, I think.